Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to share the most important life lessons I learned in 2025. Lessons that completely changed the way I think, the way I act, and the way I see myself. 2025 was not an easy year for me. I made mistakes. I felt lost sometimes. I doubted myself more than I want to admit. But those struggles taught me powerful lessons. And if you are watching this video at the beginning of 2026 or any time you want to improve your life, this video can help you change your mindset, build confidence, and to move forward with clarity. This video is also perfect if you want self improvement, you want personal growth, you are learning English, you want real motivation, not fake positivity. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Your mindset shapes your life. One of the biggest lessons I learned in 2025 is this: your mindset shapes your life more than your circumstances. For a long time, I believed that my situation controlled my future. I thought I will be confident when I'm successful. I will be happy when everything is perfect. I will start when I feel ready. But I learned something important. You don't change your life first, you change your mindset first. When I started thinking differently, I stopped seeing problems as enemies. I started seeing them as teachers. Every challenge asked me one question: who do you choose to become now? If you want 2026 to be different, start by changing how you think. Confidence is built, not born. In 2025, I learned that confidence is not something you are born with. Confidence is something you build step by step. I used to think confident people were special, but they are not. They simply take action even when they are scared, speak even when their voice shakes, try even when they might fail. Confidence comes after action, not before. If you are learning English and feel shy, speak anyway. Make mistakes, learn from them. Every mistake is proof that you are trying, and trying is how confidence grows. Small habits create big changes. Another powerful lesson from 2025: your daily habits are quietly creating your future, not motivation, not luck, not talent, habits. I learned that reading 10 minutes a day matters, practicing English a little every day matters. Choosing discipline over comfort matters. You don't need to change everything at once. Start small. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Learn 5 new English words a day. Write one positive thought every morning. Small habits may feel insignificant today, but they become life changing over time. Stop writing for perfect moments. In 2025, I wasted time waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident, waiting for the right moment. But the truth is, there is no perfect moment. Growth begins when you start before you are ready. If you want to, start a YouTube channel, improve your English, change your life, start now. Fear disappears through action, not thinking. Your environment matters more than you think. I learned that who and what you surround yourself with shapes your future. Your environment includes the people you listen to, the content you consume, the words you repeat to yourself if you want a better life in 2026. Reduce negative voices, increase positive learning, choose growth over comfort, protect your mind like it's your most valuable asset because it is. Discipline will take you where motivation can't. Motivation is powerful, but it doesn't last. Discipline stays. In 2025, I learned that you won't always feel motivated, you won't always feel confident, you won't always feel ready, and that's okay. Do it anyway. Discipline is choosing your future over your comfort. Final message for 2026. As we move into 2026, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to be consistent. Believe in yourself even when it's hard. Take small steps. Even when progress feels slow, keep going. Even when no one is watching. If you improve 1% every day, your life will look completely different by the end of this year. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment. 2026 is my year. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.